I want to help you win. We can't escape the storm, but not all is lost. Germany and most of Europe depended on Russian gas to heat homes, businesses, and drive their economy. When Russia controlled their gas supply, they held the cards. Russia could have said, "Hey, Germany, sure is a cold winter, isn't it? Your people are freezing in their homes. You want some cheap gas to make it all better? Okay, then why don't you separate yourself from the United States? Why don't you ease up on the financial sanctions, and then we'll turn the gas back on." If you're Russia, that's a very powerful form of leverage. So why would you blow up your own pipeline? Why would you give up that leverage? And the answer is, you wouldn't. The bottom line is Russia had nothing to gain by destroying their own real international leverage in the war. And if they had, we would have known about it. This leads me to the conclusion it had to be us. If they made a separate deal with Russia, the rest of Europe would surely follow quickly. European gas prices overall rose 15 times from 2021 to 2022. Europeans demonstrated in Paris, Berlin, and all over Europe. 70,000 people marched in Prague. All these people are asking, what the heck are you doing in Ukraine? Why are you supporting this instead of your own people? So you're looking at social unrest, political turmoil, economic collapse, all coming out of the Ukraine situation. Not only that, food shortages and in some cases famine will follow. Russia and Ukraine account for a huge percentage of the total global food supply, but that's been destroyed by sanctions and the war. We know enough to now predict much higher prices, empty shelves, and in some cases mass starvation. Not only that, the US was down to having just 25 days of diesel fuel before the tanks run dry. If we run out of diesel, the supply chain for our entire country will collapse. I'm talking shortages and extreme price hikes for food, goods, heating fuel, you name it. Diesel supplier Mansfield Energy called it a code red emergency. Can you see how Biden's energy Armageddon is well underway? There's more. Because of Biden's Nord Stream blunder, we're now sending 60% of all the liquid natural gas we export to Europe. Let me repeat that. Most of America's liquid natural gas exports are now being sent to bail out Europe. That will cause shortages and blackouts for us. Because when cold hits the Northeast, people burn more gas to heat their homes. But with so much going to bail out Europe, less gas will now be available for electric plants. And that means blackouts. The United States is the most oil-rich country on the planet. We shouldn't ever need to rely on any other country because we're sitting on the largest supply of recoverable oil on the planet. I'm serious. When you look at the most likely estimates for proved, probable, possible, and undiscovered oil fields, the United States tops the list. As of a 2019 study, we are sitting on 263 billion barrels of recoverable oil reserves. That's more than Saudi Arabia. That's more than Russia. That's more than any other country on the planet. We are the top of the list. America is rich with untapped oil. If we accessed our reserves, if the government opened up our own fields to benefit our own people and stopped handcuffing American oil companies, at current rates of use, we'd have enough oil for the next 63 years without importing a single drop from anyone else. Forget Russia, forget the Saudis, forget the brutal dictator in Venezuela Biden is now in bed with. This is something you never hear the Dems talk about. The most oil anywhere on Earth is right here for the taking. That's not all. We also have the 5th largest reserves of natural gas on Earth. That's about 2,926 trillion cubic feet of recoverable gas under the United States. At current rates of use, that would last us another 98 years. So what the heck is going on? Why are we going to suffer through blackouts, sky-high energy and food bills, fuel poverty, and an energy Armageddon? Simple. Because of AOC, Biden and the Democrats' Green New Deal, which I call the Green New Scam, because there's a big problem with their proposal, green or renewable energy doesn't work, and I'm convinced it will bankrupt our country. You don't hear the Dems talk about that, do you? Critics say the Green New Scam would cost American taxpayers as much as $93 trillion. That's trillion with a T. That's more than the entire annual GDP of the United States 4 times over, or about $600,000 from every household, all paid by American taxpayers like you and me. Look, there's just no question. Welcome to the glorious return of American energy. Traditional energy sources like fossil fuels are here to stay for many years to come. Which brings me to this. Why are Dem elites the ones getting rich off of this? Let's change that today. The way I see it, Biden's energy Armageddon could be a 10-year crisis. We'll face fuel shortages, insane prices, skyrocketing inflation, blackouts, violence, and empty retirement accounts. There's nothing I or anyone else can do to stop it now. But with turmoil comes opportunity. Do you want to suffer along with everyone else? Or instead, do you want to win? Money moves in times of crisis, so instead of being a victim to Biden's mistakes, why not potentially grow your current wealth by investing in the 4 companies positioned to exploit the crisis? I want to do my part to help good Americans like you weather the storm and come out a winner on the other side. While most people suffer from dumb mistakes, are you prepared to potentially grow your own wealth during the crisis? Let me show you exactly what to do right now. As we speak, there are 4 energy and technology companies developing energy solutions the whole world will soon be begging for. These 4 companies are at the right place at exactly the right time. I believe the energy crisis will be a windfall for these firms, and thanks to my experience at the highest levels of government, investment banking, and global economics, I know exactly who they are. While world economies are falling into recession, I believe these 4 companies are going to generate significant gains over the next 24 months. And if you get in now, you can ride the wave with them. That's why I'm going to give you all the details you need today. I believe we're looking at a new energy revolution. I'm talking about certain solutions and technologies that are just about ready for prime time. While the world economy will flounder over the next few years, bringing down the U.S. stock market with it, these few companies will thrive. They could be poised to be the big winners during the energy Armageddon. And if I'm right, they can make some lucky investors very rich. I want you to win. A true game plan for surviving the energy Armageddon, for protecting your savings, for building new wealth from emerging energy technologies, for outsmarting the Greeniacs and potentially emerging stronger, safer, and wealthier than before. I've written up everything you need to know in a new report I call The Return of American Energy, Profit from the Green Lie. And through the special opportunity you'll get only in this presentation, I'm going to show you how to claim a copy today, free. You heard me right. You'll pay nothing additional for this survival plan for the coming storm. I'll tell you how to claim your personal copy in just a moment. Here's why the Return of American Energy report is so valuable and so important. Because it's the only way to take advantage of my secret weapon. You see, I've used a special system to build my own personal wealth, one that works best during economic turmoil. I've developed a revolutionary way of looking at the financial system and stock markets. It uses something called complexity theory. It's unlike anything you've seen before. I estimate less than 10 people in the world know how to apply it. Complexity theory gives me insight on exactly how the coming energy Armageddon could play out, what stocks might fail in the crisis, and what stocks could rocket up in price. Of course, all investing does carry risk, and nothing is ever guaranteed in the markets, so we never recommend you invest more than you can afford to lose. However, my use of complexity theory was designed to find profit even during times of global turmoil. That's why I've taken my best insights from the complexity theory system, which only a few people on Earth know how to use, plus my experience in the U.S. intelligence community, investment banking, and the global markets, and used them to write the Return of American Energy report for you. Look, America's still a free country. All of this is your choice. You can get the report and decide to do nothing at all, or invest just a little to potentially pad your savings, or you can invest more, recognizing the unique opportunity this crisis holds, learning about the companies I believe are in a unique position to exploit the turmoil, following the plays I outlined for you, and potentially winning big. It might infuriate Biden, AOC, and the Greenies, but there's nothing they can do about you profiting from their mistakes. And you'll be the only one on your block who knows these secrets. Of course, feel free to share them with your most trusted friends and loved ones. They'll be so grateful. And you can relish saving them from the coming energy Armageddon. All you need to do is say yes, Jim, to this special opportunity today, and I'll send you your own personal copy of my new report, The Return of American Energy, Profit from the Green Lie. That's right. I've already set aside one copy for you, and I'll explain exactly how to claim it in a moment. But I want to give you one more thing first. Getting in on the Return of American Energy could dramatically improve your personal financial circumstances, but it can't undo every failed Democrat policy. Their runaway spending means inflation is here to stay, and new digital currencies will be a death blow for our privacy and our freedoms. You'll be prepared to ride the wave of new technologies that are poised to explode during the coming energy Armageddon, including how to get in on the best company building small modular nuclear reactors. And while other companies are foolishly abandoning reliable traditional fossil fuels, you'll also get the 3 oil, gas, mining, and refining stocks I believe could see huge gains. You'll learn exactly how and why you could win big by investing in all these companies and create an energy portfolio that will have you looking like a genius during the crisis while protecting and even increasing your retirement savings. I'll also show you how to make sure you're covered from every angle by holding the perfect amount of the right kind of gold and investing in America's little appreciated, untraceable liquid asset. What will this do to the financial markets, your retirement savings, and American global security? Because of my contacts and experience, I have access to certain information that even our own government doesn't know, and I share every detail with my private circle of strategic intelligence readers. But even better than that, I show them how to profit from these events by taking advantage of complexity theory, my revolutionary way of looking at the financial system and stock markets. Complexity theory is unlike anything else out there. Again, I estimate that less than 10 people in the world know how to apply it. Complexity theory gives me unique insight on exactly how American and global events will play out, what stocks might crash, and what assets should shoot up in value. Complexity theory allowed me to warn my strategic intelligence readers well in advance of the coming collapse and the threats to their wealth and security that are still on the horizon. I use my expertise to help show them how to build safe investment positions in stocks, bonds, cash, art, land, precious metals, and other hard assets.